Hi, I'm Kaniti and today we'll make an easy pizza. First, take half a cup of warm water, about 112 milliliters, half a tablespoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Dry yeast, about 6 grams or half a packet, and 1½ tablespoon of olive oil. And let it rest for a few minutes. Take your big bowl, add 325 grams of flour and a bit of paprika. Like this, mix it. Add your yeast to the flour. Mix a bit and also add half a cup of boiling water, about 112 milliliters, and mix it thoroughly. Now you can make your dough. I suggest doing it with your hands. Here's our dough. Now let it rest for about an hour. Don't forget to cover your dough. Here's our dough. It's ready. Now roll it out. After rolling out your dough, place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and oil. I'll smell it with yogurt. Put a bit of pepper. I use dried chili pepper. Now pinch the edges. Alright, we have a circle. Put your toppings. A bit of Edam cheese and grated Parmesan. I'll also add a little bit more pepper and some rosemary. Now you can put your pizza in the oven for about 200 degrees until cheese is melted and the dough is ready. Here it is, fresh from the oven. Enjoy!